In a world that never stops moving, we've normalized stress, ignored emotions, and confused productivity with wellness. But what if the habits we think are harmless are silently wrecking our mental health? Today, we're uncovering 7 psychological traps that are draining your energy, damaging your confidence, and sabotaging your peace of mind. Stick around till the end, because just becoming aware of these habits might be your first step to freedom. Habit 1. Doom scrolling. You tell yourself you'll just scroll for a few minutes, but suddenly it's 2 a.m., your eyes are dry, and your brain feels fried. Doom scrolling feeds your anxiety like gasoline to a fire. The constant flood of bad news keeps your mind in a state of panic and helplessness. The truth? What you consume shapes your mental state. It's not just a waste of time, it's emotional self-harm masked as information. Habit 2. People-pleasing. You say yes even when your gut screams no. Sound familiar? People-pleasing feels kind, but it slowly erases your identity. You become a reflection of others' needs, while your own go unmet. Over time, resentment builds. Mental fatigue creeps in. You feel invisible. Pleasing others at the cost of your peace isn't kindness. It's self-abandonment. Saying no isn't rude. It's necessary. Habit 3. Skipping sleep. You wear sleep deprivation like a badge of honor. But behind the hustle is a mind in chaos. Lack of sleep weakens emotional regulation, shrinks your attention span, and triggers anxiety. It's not just physical. Your mental health unravels silently. A tired brain can't think clearly or heal emotionally. Prioritize rest. Because burnout doesn't make you successful, it makes you silent. Habit 4. Multitasking. Multitasking feels productive, but it's a trap. Switching between tasks actually lowers your IQ temporarily. Yes, science says so. Your brain isn't designed to focus on 5 things at once. The result? Mistakes, stress, brain fog. You're busy but not effective, and the mental clutter keeps growing. Focus is the new superpower. Protect it. Habit 5. Bottling emotions. You tell yourself you're strong. You don't cry, you deal with it. But suppressing emotions doesn't make them disappear. It just stores them in your body, waiting to explode. Bottled up feelings show up as anxiety, anger, even illness. True strength isn't silence. It's feeling deeply, then choosing how to respond. Speak, write, share. Don't carry what you can release. Habit 6. Overthinking. You replay that moment over and over. What you said, what they thought, what could have been. Overthinking is like mental quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. It's exhausting. It kills creativity. It magnifies fear. Most of the things we worry about never happen. So pause, breathe, and ask, is this thought helping me or hurting me? It's not easy. Your brain is wired for survival, not peace. But peace can be trained. Each time you choose presence over panic, awareness over assumption, action over analysis, you reclaim a piece of your mind. Habit 7. Negative self-talk. You messed up something small, and before anyone else can even react, your inner voice already has something to say. I'm such an idiot. I can't do anything right. This is negative self-talk, and it's more than just bad thinking. It's emotional sabotage. We all have an inner voice, but for some, that voice becomes an inner bully. Instead of guiding you, it punishes you. That inner critic may never disappear completely, but with time, patience, and practice, you can turn it into a coach. So next time it whispers, "You're not good enough," pause and whisper back, "Watch me." These habits may feel normal, but they're quietly stealing your joy, energy, and identity. Awareness is your weapon. Small changes, repeated daily, rebuild your peace from the inside out. So tell me, how many of these habits have been living rent-free in your mind? Comment below. And if you found value here, like, subscribe, and start choosing yourself. Remember, your mental health is your power.